Acting on a tip of a joint force of Sepahijala District Police, NCB, STF and BSF conducted a raid in the Aralia Gram Panchayat area under Sonamura Police Station and recovered a huge quantity of Phensedyl in a Hyundai i10 car bearing registration number TR03E 0798. The police have apprehended an individual related to the case. A massive quantity of illegal narcotics was seized from the Sonamura Police Station area. Acting on a tip of a joint force of the Sepahijala District Police, NCB, STF and BSF conducted a raid in the Aralia Gram Panchayat area under the Sonamura Police Station, leading to this success. The area was cordoned off from the early hours of the morning and the operation commenced. Later, the narcotics were found loaded in a parked Hyundai i10 private car in an open space beside a road in the same area. It is known that the car was kept parked loaded with the narcotics.
आप लोग भी थोड़ा हेल्प कर दीजिए ना भाग जाए तो भाग जाए आप नहीं छोड़ी पूरे आपकी आप ही आ जाइए आपको तो
Subsequently, a search led to the recovery of a huge quantity of Phensedyl. The vehicle's number is TR03E 0798. News sources indicate that NCB personnel have been able to tentatively identify the drug traffickers based on the vehicle's number and a parcel found inside the car. It has been reported that the estimated market value of the seized narcotics is around 20 lakh rupees. The police have initiated an investigation and are attempting to locate the individuals involved. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.